Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade an XM demo account. To begin, open XM and make sure you are logged into your demo account dashboard. Starting from the main account area helps you access the trading tools quickly and keeps the process simple. If this is your first time using the platform, take a brief moment to get familiar with the layout before placing any trade. Once you are inside the platform, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where you can browse the available instruments and explore what you want to trade. The market page is essentially your starting point for selecting an asset, so it is important to know where this menu is located. After that, choose a sample symbol from the market list. This is the instrument you want to trade in your demo account. Depending on what is shown on your screen, you may see assets such as forex pairs, commodities, or other products. For this walkthrough, simply select the sample symbol displayed. When choosing a symbol, it is always a good idea to double-check that you are opening the correct market before moving ahead. Once the symbol page opens, move to the top right panel where you will see the option to buy or sell. This is where you decide the direction of your trade. If you expect the price to rise, choose Buy. If you expect the price to fall, choose Sell. Since this is a demo account, it is a useful environment for practicing how these order directions work without using real funds. After selecting Buy or Sell, click on Place Order. This step prepares the trade to be submitted based on the choice you just made. Before clicking, it can be helpful to quickly review what is shown on the order panel so you understand exactly what action the platform is about to take. Finally, click on Confirm Order to complete the trade. This is the last step that sends your demo order through the platform. Once confirmed, your trade should appear as active in your account, allowing you to monitor how it performs in real-time market conditions using virtual funds. That's all it takes to place a trade in an XM demo account. As you practice, try paying close attention to the symbol you choose, the trade direction, and the order confirmation screen. Repeating this process a few times can help you build confidence and become more comfortable navigating the platform.